here I've painted the area around a petal. If I go ahead and then try and paint that in, you'll notice two things. First of all, it's dried or partially dried, and it's going to cause cauliflower or backrun in this area, and it's sort of blooming into this dry area. The second thing is I'm putting double the layer of pigment over part of it. Even if I try very hard to get right to the very edge of the line I painted, it's a much more unsightly look than if I tried to just get my petal done all in one go, painting around and quickly painting it in all in one go. You end up with a much smoother look. Now this doesn't often occur on little tiny things like that, but I do see students painting, you know, things like leaves or branches of leaves or great big petals, great big flowers with lots of petals, and you see this kind of thing where they're adding in the stem, and then they draw themselves with their brush. They draw lots of leaves. And then they fiddle around a little bit, trying to mix some colours, and then they go back and paint them in. And often by the time this happens, their outlines are dry, and while it's wet, it's fine. And that's why I suggest that if they're going to do this this outline type thing, that they do it very fast and also one at a time. One or two small shapes at a time is fine. But if you try too many, it will start to dry, and you may run out of a colour and end up with a different coloured outline to your central colour, or you may end up with some backruns. So always try and paint your items all in one go, rather than outlining and going back into it.